Filing income tax returns, ITR, is an essential part of financial responsibility, but what happens if you receive a demand notice from the income tax department? In this video, we'll decode the types of ITR demand notices, discuss common defenses, and guide you through the process of filing appeals all the way up to the Supreme Court. A demand notice is essentially the tax department's way of pointing out discrepancies in your filed ITR. This may involve underreporting of income, disallowed deductions, or computational errors. Understanding the type of notice you receive is the first step to resolving the issue. There are various types of notices you might receive. For instance, a notice under Section 143(1) highlights simple discrepancies or refund adjustments. A notice under Section 147 or 148 deals with reassessment, often when the department suspects income concealment. Understanding these sections will help you address the notice effectively. Start by reviewing the notice and identifying the section it's issued under. Cross-check with your ITR to verify the correctness of the claim. If there's an error on your part, submit a rectified return. For unjust claims, you can dispute the demand by providing evidence through the tax portal. If you believe the demand is unjust, you can file an appeal. Start with the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals within 30 days of receiving the notice. Further appeals can be made to ITR, the High Court for substantial legal matters, and eventually to the Supreme Court for significant constitutional issues. The process for appeals begins with filing Form 35 for CIT appeals. If you are not satisfied with their decision, escalate to the ITR using Form 36. For High Court and Supreme Court appeals, ensure you have robust legal representation to handle the procedural complexities. Your defense should be backed by evidence. For instance, if discrepancies arise from employer data, provide Form 16 or Form 26 as. Always ensure that you address jurisdictional errors, as notices issued by the wrong authority can be invalidated. Receiving a tax demand notice can be daunting, but with the right knowledge and timely action, you can resolve the issue effectively. When in doubt, always consult a tax professional or lawyer to safeguard your interests.